Well, hey, thanks for watching this video. This is the second video that I'm working on. What kind of website should I make for affiliate marketing? I have a playlist and I did one video. This is the second video in this playlist. I'll have the playlist listed in the description of this video so you can see all the videos, because there's lots of aspects to what kind of website should you make for affiliate marketing. So in today's video, I want to give you my perspective on really the support and tools you will need, and that makes up really for what kind of website should you have, and what kind of affiliate marketing tools you'll need, and things like that. So don't forget, you can watch my videos in the playlist, and I'll have that below. And then let me get into the content today. For you will probably need a lot of support, and so I'm going to hit play on this video. This is our community, and I'm not playing the sound, so there's a very healthy and vibrant and very professional community that helps each other. And yes, I was mentioned in this, and I did a segment on this video, and I will include this in the description down below so you can see all this. But this is heart-centered and principle-centered support, and this community keeps on growing and getting better because we help each other. We really thrive on principles, doing the right thing, helping others. It's the golden rule: treat others as you would want to be treated, all those things. So you need to experience that, and this video is a good way to experience that. Okay, so we'll move on. You also need to make some income from affiliates, and one of the greatest things is you can make 80% commissions. Now, with other products and other affiliate things, you're going to be probably less than 80%. And you'll say, well, gosh, even if it's lower, I can make more sales with more numbers. That's true. That is possible. But most people aren't that good right off the bat. So you'll have to build your skill level and build your success. And while you're doing that, it makes more sense to probably have an 80% commission. So let me explain this. This funnel builder makes the websites. Okay, this funnel builder is $25, pays 80% commission, so that's a $20 commission. If you had 5 customers that regularly buy this service, this wonderful funnel builder tool, that'd be $100 commissions to you, monthly residual. Okay, that's really nice. Now there's another premium level. So this is the training. This is how to get people to your website. This is how to convert sales. It's incredibly valuable. That price is $125, so you make 80% commissions. And on those that need the support, that need the help, I'm about to show you what type of help that includes. That's a $100 commission. So you can, with 5 people, well, now you're at $500 a month residual every month. Okay, combine the two, now it's $600. So you're earning from 5 people, so it's $120 residual times 5 people is $600. And you can see from this chart, you can really grow to really nice levels. And the great thing is, these are tools that everyone needs, and affiliate marketing success like you probably have never seen. So I just wanted to give you that. Now, on my website, you're going to gain more information. You're going to be able to get my emails and allow me to mentor and guide you. So you're going to see my affiliate marketing website here, and this just is a really nice page that is a couple clicks away and you get this. So there's no designing, there's no fumbling around with technology. You just get this page and you're off to the races with success behind you. Okay, but you'll need to know how and where to market and all those types of things. So that's why the premium membership is really valuable. But you can start at the $25 level. I did. I was there for quite a few months, actually. When I realized the value of a premium membership, I jumped on it amazingly quickly. It's awesome. So this video now, I'm going to move to a little more of the nuts and bolts, what you're getting. Okay, the funnel builder is the ways to create websites. Now let me address, well, geez, I could go to Wix.com and make a free website, and then I could put my links on that. Yes, you're missing out on some other things, like how to process payments. Okay, how are you going to do that? And so these pages all have built-in payment processors and all that type of thing, which is important when you want to have an affiliate website. Okay, so this is a membership orientation, and I normally don't allow, and in fact we don't allow people to take a look, but I wanted to give you a sense that there's great support, incredible support from, this is Paul Hutchings and the other mentor of the company, the other co-founder is Mike Hobbs. And so they started this 5 weeks ago. So they now have every weekend, every Saturday, they do a new member orientation for new members. So you're not going to be left out. You're going to have connection with the founders and a guide and orientation on exactly where to go and how to learn and why this is so successful. Okay, so one thing I will, and so let me just show you now. This is the February 11th, so this was just a week ago, and I'm going to just play this real briefly. Realize there are a lot of people that have come into HBA, the Home Business Academy. They're wanting to know, let me just make this theater mode. Okay, they're wanting to know how to be successful. They want to know how to be an affiliate and be successful with the Home Business Academy. So let me just play a quick clip here, and we'll just show you. I'll just show you how important this is to learn from them.
Just a brief overview of the back office. Like I said, there's the Funnel Builders Academy. This is our first core product. It's a funnel builder tool, and this allows you to build websites. And let me just show you an example of what it looks like when I go to the tool. So if you log in to your funnel builder tool, you will see that it'll look something like this, where it'll have different websites that you can build. In fact, I have multiple websites. As you can see, I have tons of different pages in here, opt-in pages, sales pages. In fact, the entire Home Business Academy, this login page that you guys see right here with these different products, this was built in the HBA Funnel Builder. And I actually saw someone say, no, they didn't build it in the HBA Builder. They built it on this other platform. And let me just show you real quick. I'll just squash that right here. Look at this. There it is.
Who said that? One of our members said that, or someone else?
Oh, someone on the internet.
Oh,
on one of our review videos.
Crazy people on the internet, Mike. You gotta be careful.
All right, so that was Mike and Paul going through that. So when I go back to this website, you can see this whole thing. Actually, this is no. That's there. Let's go here to the new member orientation. The website he was showing, this entire back office, this entire affiliate membership site was all built using this $25 tool. It's very complex. There are multiple levels. So this is the premium level. And then back to the Funnel Builder Academy. So this is the $25 product and service. This is the $125 product and service. And then there's like affiliate zone on how to manage your affiliate links, videos throughout. This was all done using the $25 funnel builder. Okay, so this little tool does incredibly great stuff. And so my recommendation is not to go to Wix or something free. Number one, you're not going to get the help. Number two, it's really not fully functional for affiliates. It's functional for a little hobbyist or a little nice web page, which is fine, but really not functional for an affiliate who is serious about making money online through affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is built on the $25 Funnel Builder Academy. All these pages, it's got menus and tons of training. Okay, so like I said, this is very valuable. You're going to need help, and the great thing is these masterminds. This is really what I was wanting to highlight. Being able to come. This is the premium masterminds. Okay, so you need to be at the $125 level, but this is where you get the most help. This is where in your team, as they join other affiliates that want to do what you do, they're going to need help too. The great thing is they will come to the same masterminds, and the help is really transferred to the community, which, going back to this video, It's about the principle and the heart-centered and heart-driven people that are working with us and for us. That's what this is all about. People that are just learning, but also helping because they are so just enamored with the support and the help and the success, they want to help as well. So with all that, you can come to these calls. They're Zoom calls, so there's one on Monday night. These are recorded as well in case you miss them, and they're fabulous. And then here's a daily daily grow rich call. This is mindset. This is an audio call. It's a phone call. It's a conference call, and you can listen through the internet as well if you are international, okay? And they're recorded, so you can listen to everything. Everything is recorded. Everything's available wherever you live. Then the TNC is the traffic and conversions. This is how to really put your affiliate marketing into work and into action by following the steps if you need them, and many people do, because Mike and Paul are 6- and 7-figure earners throughout many years, so they know what to do, and they're very humble and polite and very technically helpful and all those things that you may not be. So all of these, and let me just go to this one for sure, the TNC. This is Monday through Friday, okay? And there are over 200 of these recordings. So when we talk about support and helping people and getting affiliates going and having questions, you get to ask questions. You get support. They will share their screen. They'll fix your websites, by the way. If you have a little technical glitch, wouldn't it be nice to have someone like Mike, who's our technical tech person, to fix it? So here's Mike, and so he's fabulous. And so I'm just pointing out that there are hundreds and hundreds of videos. They keep recording these, and you can access these through YouTube. You have to know the playlist, and that's what I'm on. So, what would you price getting on a Zoom call 5 times a week, plus the other calls, which are the mastermind on Monday night, and then the Grow Rich call, which is a mindset call to help you really change your mindset to success and attracting others to you? It's that easy. I'm telling you, it's really good. Your mind is more powerful than any technical skill you have. And I know that sounds odd, but it's true, okay? So this is valuable for you, the affiliate that wants to make money with affiliate marketing and websites. You'll need help, and you'll need help from masters that have done this. And this would be tens, if not thousands of dollars per month, tens of thousands of dollars per month to have access and just online recordings and the whole deal. So really, when you see this $125, it's packed full of value, and others will see that too. And back to the 80% commissions, right here, I think, you can generate cash flow like no one else, because everyone gets the same support. Everyone gets this incredible value, and they're like, holy cow. And to market this and share this is quite actually for the people that are wanting to learn this, okay? That's why I do a YouTube video, because I want to teach people, and that's why I'm actually doing a series of videos on what kind of website should I be making for affiliate marketing. Well, you need to make these types of websites. So this is, again, my website, which you'll see in the YouTube description. You just put your name and email, and you'll get my email so that we can correspond back and forth. Plus, you'll get tips and helpful how to start. All the links, in fact, I send you all the links that you've been seeing here, but I will also have the links to these videos, and all the information that I can share will be in the description of this video. So I will also include the February 11th, the full 1 hour and 36 minutes, where you can learn and see exactly, without having to pay for anything, by the way. So you can see exactly the support that new members get, and it's a taste of what all members get, okay? So as a last gift, I mentioned about mindset. This link will also be in the video description of this video so that you can learn about mindset and how powerful it is to change your mind into positive and attraction, and basically just set your mind for success. It really is that good. So when you click on any of these buttons, you'll be taken to the Mastermind Collection. This is valuable, 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 and I'm giving you free access for watching this video, for watching all of my videos, and being a subscriber, if you will, okay? So all of this is the value that I want to give you for being an affiliate marketer that wants a website or several websites with one of the best tools. In fact, I would say the best tool. Other tools that I've used are in the $100 range per month. The Funnel Builder being at $25 is truly amazing. And again, you can make websites that are as complex as the back office of HBA, okay? With tons of training and information and links and all that. Works very well. And it's designed for payments and commissions and what affiliates need. Okay, so look for my playlist. You'll see that playlist in my YouTube video description. And I just want to keep building value to this list of videos. This is the second one, and I'll do more in the future here. I hope to do 5, 6, 8, 10, something like that. So you have the best information, and you can zip from video to video and be educated about the best tools for your needs to become a successful affiliate marketer. This is Chase Webb. Thanks for your time watching this video. Definitely like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.